So.
Yeah. Hi there.
Hi.
What do you have there in front of you?
These are the eggs and chocolate chips we made yesterday.
Okay. So yesterday, what did we do with the eggs?
We cooked them.
Okay, very good. And when we cooked them, they changed from what to what?
They changed.
Julie, keep
They
talking, honey.
changed from liquid to solid.
They changed from liquid to solid, okay? And then, after we did that, what did we do with the eggs? After
We
cooked
put them in the freezer right over there.
Okay. And now what are they? Are they liquid or solid or gas?
They're solid
They're
still.
still solid. Okay, so did freezing make them turn back into an egg?
No.
Is there anything you can think of to do to make them turn it back into an egg?
No.
Okay. So once you cook eggs, can you turn it back into a raw egg?
No.
Okay. All right, you can set that aside.
Okay, we'll do the chocolate chips.
So then we had chocolate chips. We put a bunch of chocolate chips in baggies, and then you and Judah used the warmth from your hand to do what?
But now,
To do what?
to melt them,
To melt them. Okay. And when you melted them in your warm little hands,
they were squishy,
okay, so they were what? Solid or liquid?
liquid.
Liquid. Okay, very good. So they were liquid. And then what did we do with them?
And then we put them in the freezer also.
Okay, and now what are they?
They are very cold solid.
They're very cold and solid because we just took them out. Okay, now, so the eggs went from liquid to solid and stayed solid. The chips, it's okay. The chips went from solid to
Liquid.
okay, and then when in the freezer they did what?
They stayed liquid. You can't
They're still liquid?
No, they turned into solid.
They turned back into solid, okay? So they did solid, liquid, solid. Yeah? Okay. But I have a question. So if we take them out of the baggie here, if we unwrap it, if I do it right now, it'll break because it's very cold. But once it warms up, if I take it out of the baggie, are they going to look exactly like the chocolate chips did in the beginning? Why not?
Because they're a solid. Wait.
Well, they were solids to start with, right?
Yeah.
Will they look the same though?
No, because they're squished.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So they look like kind of like it's solid, but
Okay.
it's still looks like it's liquid.
Okay.
Which is the hardest thing about this.
All right. I have a question. If you had, well, so let's say we did this again and we melted the chocolate chips, but we wanted chocolate chips that were the shape of ice cubes. Can you think of anything we could do to make bricks of chocolate that are the shape of ice cubes?
Maybe we could just we could get a bag and put a few together, and instead of melting them, just put them in the freezer. And then when you take it out, you open the bag, and it would be chocolate made of ice, like chocolate chips, and it looked like an ice cube.
Okay. So how do we get the shape of an ice cube, though? That's what it is. If you just put Judah, stop there, everybody. Okay, you go downstairs.
Shape of